Good morning. Welcome back to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking and Canning. Well, it's a rather really windy morning and the temperature is around 11. We expect a high of 15 with most probably showers today. And the wind, you'll probably hear the wind on the microphone. At least some birds are busy. All right, how's the growth going? Well, the peonies are still progressing nicely. The ants have done their job. The pepper plant's not moving too fast, but this is not a very sunny area. That's okay. The pepper plants did well last year. A combination of shade and sun seemed to do them nicely. All right. Well, hopefully more peppers will go on sale so I can grab some more. As you know, everything is getting expensive. How's this soil doing? Yeah, still moist. Good. Whoops. Sorry about the finger, folks. How's the other one doing? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. How slowly these flowers come out. Oh, there we go. Let's hope it doesn't bloom in the rain and then get destroyed by the rain. Okay. Well, there's moisture in the ground. Looks like it was either due or we did get some rain. They were announcing the possibility of a bit of rain last night. Didn't happen before I went to bed. Wow. Look at this hosta. I've never seen them flower like this before. I must have missed it all the prior years. All right, potatoes, potatoes. Oh, good. Finally, another potato is sprouting. So we know the seed potatoes are there. Good. Not much, they didn't grow very fast compared to the other potatoes that did come up around the same time. Well, let's hope it does rain today. Okay. How's the peas? Peas still growing just fine. Yep. And the other seed potatoes, is that them trying to push through? Not sure. Looks like a few have come out. Very good. Looks like some others want to come out. Okay. Is that a potato or is that a weed? That's a potato. Potato. And that's a weed. Okay. How's the beans? Well, I was checking this out in the evening and it's about as munched on as it was then. This is new. Everything being attacked. Yeah, it's been like this every year. Every year the little critters come in. Look. Just Stop eating the proto leaves, boys. Just destroying the plant, not giving it a chance. All right. Well, how's the squash doing? This is the zucchini. Okay. There's zucchini coming out. Zucchini! There's another one there bursting out. Very nice. Well, these ones here, after coming out with their yellow colored leaves, they seem to have done pretty well. Okay. Yeah, well, you can tell what happens when I reseed. Okay, look at that. Okay, so the carrots are still coming up. Oh, and I can just smell the dill when I step on it. Yes, I have a lot of dill going in between the cracks of the stones. Those are onions. Onions and garlic. So there's a lot of garlic seeds. I let one of the garlics bolt last year. The seeds have gone everywhere. I'm just letting them grow. We'll see what happens. And then when this kale bolts, I'll just add to the seeds of kale that I added to the ground that haven't come up yet. Probably won't. Just too bad. I really like the crispy kale. Oh, I guess we could get some rain. My rain gauge. And the squashes. Well, look at you. Just munched on. Munch, munch, munch. Okay? No rhyme or reason. They just pick some. Yep. Now look. Have one leaf eaten? Probably. Or both the proto leaves gone. And the sages, all these flowers getting ready to burst. Oh, the sage is so strong. I used some in some lambs too yesterday, doing it ossobuco style. I'll eventually have that recipe up on the channel. Next one to come up is French toast. Oh. Peas are doing good. Okay, well, let's go to the front, and I'll make sure I check that video after I'm done the front. I don't have the same problem I did yesterday with it recording at ridiculous speed. Okay. See you in the front. Well, are we starting with the peonies? Wind's really picking up again. And felt a few drops. So good. The plants are going to get watered by the sky, not by my water bill. Well, the garden blooms nicely, as it does every year so far, by the grace of God. Oh, there's the ants doing their thing on the front peony. All right. Well, I guess we can actually grab the real competition that we know is there. Oh yeah, of course, something munched on your leaf. It is the cycle of the critters. And how's my little squash? All right. Squash or pumpkin, we're not sure. No others, eh? All right. Back to our front. The sunflower coming along. Squash. Oh. And our lavender, fresh lavender going up. Look, even some of the old sprigs still put out some nice fresh pieces. Oh. Remember, grab yourself some lavender seeds this year if you have a little spot on the property. Just let the shrub grow. Grab some. At the end of the year, put it in a small thin mesh bag, hang it over your head of your bed, and the scent of lavender will make you go to sleep better. And apparently it also helps keep parasites away, or critters. The kind of critters that live in your bed. They don't like the smell of lavender as well. Well, look at the berries. The berries are all starting. Yay! Everywhere. Oh, I am going to be so busy. So morning routine is when the berry bush is producing is to come out here in long sleeves, long pants, and maybe some headphones, keep the bugs out of my ear, and then just start picking. And these berries, they come out red, and you want them to turn dark before you pick them, because that's when they're sweet. The thing is, they have such a short growth span that I find myself picking them twice a day, which is fine. Yeah, it's not like I had to drive to the grocery store to get it. It's right here in my yard. All right, this has been Occam's Razors, gardening, cooking, and canning. If you've watched to the end, I appreciate you and appreciate all of you who watch these videos. Right on. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.